Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to put an image in a table inside Notion. Alright, so let's begin. First, go to the official Notion website and log in with your account. Then, what you want to do is first, of course, create a table. The way you do this is at the top left, right next to your username. You want to click on where it says Create a New Page. Once you click on it over here, you can select that you want a table. Down here, it says Get Started With, and it shows Database, so you want to click on Database. Here, click on this table option, and you will see this type of page. From here, you can, of course, name this table. Let's say I'm just going to name it Table for this instance. You can then give it some inputs. For example, I want this to be 1, 2, 3, or whatever you want. We can also add a name over here. Now, to insert an image inside the table, you can press the plus button over here. With this, you will essentially get a new column and a new row, so new columns and new rows inside your table. Then, what you want to do is click the plus over here and scroll down until you see Files and Media. You want to click Files and Media, and now, as you can see over here, you'll be able to add in different files and media. By files, you can also add in different images. The way you do this is by clicking into a specific cell inside your table. When you click on it, you can then choose a file. Click Choose a File, and then simply find your image on your computer. So select any pic that you want to add. Then I'm going to click it, press Open, and just like this, it's going to start uploading. Once that's done in a few seconds, as you can see, you have successfully put an image inside your table in Notion. If you want to zoom in because it's too small, you can simply click on it, and as you can see, it will be displayed in a bigger format where you can zoom in even more or zoom out if you would like to. You can also download it from here. So that's basically how you can put an image in a table inside Notion. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.